Okay, this video is from Module 8, our last module, and we're going to talk about commonly missed problems of the final exam. So first of all, we have the, adding in an indicated base. So in this case, it's base 5, and remember that base 5 counting is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then once we make a complete set of 5s, then we indicate that right there with one complete set of 5, no remainder. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 0, and then 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, and then two sets of 5s would be indicated with a 2 and a 0. That's two sets of 5. So using that information, we can go ahead and add. 3 plus 2 is 5 items. So 5 items would be a complete set of 5 right here. So that's going to be 1, 0, carry the 1. And now we have 4 plus 1 plus 1, that's 6. So then we're going to have 6 items, which is the symbol for that would be right here. So this is, I'm sorry, right here. So 5 and then 6 would be 1, 1. And then 1 plus 1 is just a 2. And there you got it. Okay, next, determine the equation for the graph. And so we have a graph here, and we're going to use y equals mx plus b as our equation, because all we need to find is the y-intercept, which is 0b right there, and then the m is the slope, which equals rise over run. So we're going to come to the graph and find those two pieces of information so that we can get our equation. So first of all, we're going to get the b by looking at this right here. This is the y-intercept because that's 0, negative 6. So this is going to be negative 6 here. And then our slope is going to be from this point to the next. You can pick any of the ones in between, but I'm going to choose up here. That's going to be up 6, and rise 6, and run 3. So that means that our slope is going to be rise 6, run 3, which simplifies to 2. Therefore, our equation is 2x minus 6. Okay, next we have solve the system of equations graphically. And notice that both equations are in y equals mx plus b format, which tells us right away that this 4 is a slope, which is going to be 4 over 1. And then this is the y-intercept at 0, negative 1. So we can plot negative 1 for y right here. And then the slope is telling us to go up 4 and to the right 1. So we're going to go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1 right here. And to get the point on the left side, we can go down 4, 2, 3, 4, and back 1. And that way we have both sides of this. So the next line, we can do the same thing. We can take a look at this invisible 1 here. So that's going to be, slope is going to be 1 over 1. And then we have 0, negative 4. So we're going to go ahead and plot negative 4. And then we're going to go up 1 over 1. And keep doing that. And we can go down 1, back 1. And we're going to see that the intersection is right here at negative 1, negative 5 for the system of equations. Okay, stay tuned for part 2 of this video.